4 hot gadgets, the perfect combo of style, smartness, and comfort. Turn any flat surface into a keyboard with red laser magic. Type wirelessly via Bluetooth. Compact, futuristic, and smart. Projects a full QWERTY layout just 100 millimeters in front of the device. Ultra-fast detection, up to 350 characters per minute. Works on any non-reflective flat surface from desks to tables. Portable and powerful, built-in 1000 mAh rechargeable battery lasts up to 200 minutes. Charges in just 2 hours with included USB cable. Compatible with Windows, Android, iOS, Mac, and more. True multi-device magic. Perfect for travelers, coders, writers, and tech lovers. Small device, big possibilities. Type anywhere, anytime. Included virtual keyboard, mini USB charger, and user manual. Everything you need to get started. Unlock your door from anywhere, right from your phone. No hub needed, just built-in Wi-Fi and full control, wherever you are. Choose your way to unlock, app passcode, fingerprint, physical key, or even your voice. Supports Alexa and Google Assistant. Just say the word and you're in. One touch is all it takes. Your fingerprint is your key. Create up to 100 custom codes, perfect for family, friends, or Airbnb guests. Set auto lock for 10 to 180 seconds. Never forget to secure your home again. Get real-time notifications. Always know who's coming and going. Turn on away mode to block all entry except your master code. Total peace of mind. Easy installation in minutes. No drilling, just a screwdriver. Smart, secure, effortless. Upgrade your door today. Meet the world's brightest flashlight of 2024, the EM11 MS32. Blast 200,000 lumens of light up to 5,308 feet. Brighter than car headlights. Built to last. Over 50,000 hours of lifespan for extreme adventures and emergencies. Rechargeable and efficient. Fast charging USB Type-C for power on the go. Up to 345 hours runtime in low mode. Long-lasting performance you can trust. Power bank mode included. Charge your phone anywhere, anytime. Lockout mode for safety. 5 quick clicks to lock or unlock your flashlight. 8 lighting modes plus OLED display. Know your battery, brightness, and more at a glance. Comfortable handle and durable grip. Crafted from aircraft-grade alloy. Waterproof, dustproof, and built like a tank. Ready for any challenge. 2. The power of daylight in your hand. Tired of uncomfortable office chairs? Introducing the ultimate ergonomic chair. Adjustable headrest for neck support. Tailored lumbar support for your back. Flip-up arms for flexibility. Seat height and recline control, 90 degrees to 120 degrees. Breathable mesh seat keeps you cool. Strong metal base holds up to 330 pounds. 360-degree swivel and silent rolling wheels. Assemble in just 15 minutes, tools included. Plus, enjoy a lifetime warranty. Upgrade your comfort today. Your back will thank you. Which one is your favorite? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Let us know in the comments below.